Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do a bonus love reading for Sagittarians. I have already posted a video some days ago for Sagittarius. So if you haven't seen that, please go and check the previous videos on the channel. And this is a general love reading, so it will not resonate with everyone. I hope it does, but it's not possible every time, right? So yeah, let's see what's happening for Sagittarians in their love life in the remaining days of August. For the remaining days in the August month, what's happening for Sagittarians? If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, and if you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead and like the video. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, what's happening for Sagittarius in their love life? Okay, 9 of Swords might be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Tower, you might be dealing with the Scorpio. Six of Cups, Five of Pentacles, water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with the Six of Cups, Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles. Where is your energy, Sagittarians? Hanged Man, you might be dealing with the Pisces too. Six of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Two of Pentacles, Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, Sagittarians, let's see what's happening for you. I'm seeing your person quite stressed out, not sleeping well, not feeling quite right about this connection. They are missing you, okay? Nostalgic about the old days. Maybe you know, some things happened that were you two were not expecting, and it just destroyed everything. Like something very bad has happened with your person. They did not expect things to go like this, okay? I'm definitely seeing here third party situation. Maybe you are dealing with someone or they are dealing with someone else, okay? Someone is definitely confused, or maybe you both are dealing with someone else in your life. Maybe you both are married, okay? So yeah, juggling between two people, two situations. And I think this has broke the other person down. Some things are not quite going well in the relationship, okay? They are stressing, missing you a lot, wanting to start over, wanting to express their feelings on how they feel. Maybe they are expecting you to come and, you know, offer them their cup of love, okay? Someone is wanting to express how they feel. Maybe they are going to express in the month of August after a phase of darkness, and after the phase of falling off and seeing everything just destroying in front of your eyes, and going through sleepless nights, anxiety, panic, okay? I think someone is going to come and express how they really feel for you, or maybe they are expecting you to come and express how you really feel, okay? Maybe they are not happy with how you are taking things, okay? Maybe someone is not happy with the fact that you are, or maybe they are into a third party situation. Someone is into a third party situation, juggling between two people, and they are not quite happy. Your person is not happy with the current situation. Maybe, you know, they don't want you to choose anyone else, okay? They want them to choose you. Or sorry, they want you to choose them, okay? So this is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing you dealing with a Pisces specifically, okay? This person is keeping you stuck, or maybe a Pisces is keeping the situation stuck, okay? Things not moving forward, things not going as you wanted it to go. Things are, I think everything between you just fell apart. You were building something with this person and things went uphill, okay? So yeah, someone will be chasing you. Someone will be chasing for attention. Maybe someone want your attention, wanting to express how they feel with this Five of Pentacles, chasing you, coming back, okay, returning to you. So a reconciliation is happening, but it is happening because the other person feels empty without you. There is a void, okay, they feel when they are not with you, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm seeing here for Sagittarius. Let's see. I want to clarify some cards over here. Let's see what's more do we have, what more information we get. Why is this Nine of Swords here for Sagittarians? Yeah, I think the other person, someone was dealing with a third party situation and now they want to come back, and they don't find the strength on how to come back. That is why they are not sleeping well, thinking and planning and strategizing on how to make things right with you. Okay, with this Strength card, maybe you're dealing with a Leo too. Okay, what? Why is this Tower card here? What is this Tower energy about for Sagittarians? Why is this Tower card here for Sagittarians? Yeah, I think coming out very strong out of anything that was devastating, anything that was, not good, not going, not going good, not going quite right, coming out, charging towards you, okay, heading towards you. Someone is coming back, okay. What is the Six of Cups for Sagittarians? I think someone was or someone is interfering between you two people. I told you there is a third party situation or some energy, some situation that is stopping you both to, come towards each other and expressing how you actually feel for the other person. What is this Five of Pentacles? Yeah, I think your person will be chasing you because they are quite hopeful that you both belong to each other. With this Star card, you might be dealing with an Aquarius, okay. So they know you belong to each other, and that is why they will be chasing you, because they are hopeful about you getting back to them. Okay, what is this Hanged Man about? Why is this Hanged Man here for Sagittarius? What is this Hanged Man about? Yeah, I think the third party situation is keeping the situation stuck. Okay, and I think someone is going to get unstuck themselves out of the situation, either it is you or the other person, and wanting to start something over. Okay, what is this Four of Swords here for? Why is this Four of Swords here? Yeah, I think the other person is missing you a lot. They have everything, but they feel as if something is not quite right, and that is why they want you back. Okay, they want to work on this relationship, they want to invest into this relationship. Okay, what is this Two of Pentacles about? What is this Two of Pentacles about? What is this Two of Pentacles for Sagittarians about? Okay, choosing one person out of two, coming to a conclusion. Okay, this is this Princess of Swords about. Maybe they were juggling between the two people and you cut them off, or they are cutting someone off to get back to you. Okay, this is the energy I'm getting. So yeah, heavy energy. Let's see what advice do we have for Sagittarians, for you guys. What advice do we have for Sagittarians? What they need to do, what's coming, what they need to know, what Sagittarians need to know. What message do we have for them? What messages do we have for Sagittarians for the month of August regards to their love life? What message do we have for Sagittarians? Yeah, change is coming. I think you need to change your attitude, or maybe transformation is going on. Maybe you're spiritually awakening, or maybe you need to change. Either it has already changed, or you're seeing this change is coming, or maybe the situation is going to change, or you have to change the situation yourself. Okay, let me get that card. Okay, so this card fell on the ground, so I took it. The Fool card, I think you either are too carefree or you need to be carefree. Okay, either you are too serious about something that doesn't need your attention right now, and you're investing too much of time and energy on that thing, so you need to be a little less careful about, carefree and careless about that situation. Or maybe you need to be more serious about something and you're not. Okay, so that is the message that is coming out. What more do we have for Sagittarians? What more do we have for Sagittarians? What more do we have for Sagittarians? Yeah, I think you want harmony. You want to be one with this person you're thinking about. Okay, it is this 10 number is for completion. You need to, in order for you to feel complete, you need to integrate with someone. Okay, that is the need for the time. Let's see what handwritten message advice do we have for Sagittarians. What messages do we have for Sagittarians? What messages do we have for Sagittarians? What messages do we have for Sagittarians? Socialize. I think you need to socialize more. I think you are too serious about something. You need to just chill and get along with people. Explore belief. You need to work on your belief system, okay? Or you need to believe something. What more do we have for Sagittarians? What messages do we have for Sagittarians? What messages do we have for Sagittarians? Okay. Communication coming from someone you expect or not expect. Let's see what more do we have for Sagittarians. Surprises. I think some surprises are coming. Maybe this person is coming back as a surprise to you. What more do we have for Sagittarians in the month of August? Yeah, I think spirituality, you need to awaken, you need to spiritually awaken. Maybe you are into this process of spiritually awakening. So yeah, that is it. I hope you like this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in the next video.